Hey everyone, this is Ondrej and Ondrej Asking. I'm here today with Luka and we are here in Croatia, in Opatija. Luka, can you introduce yourself and tell me what you do?
Sure, glad to be here and thanks for having me in this call. I'm Luka, I'm a senior solution architect at AWS. I've been there for 4.5 years and spent around 15 years in technical consulting. I'm originally from Croatia, so I like it here. Beautiful sea, beautiful people, so it's amazing.
Nice. And my one question is always, what was the best thing on this conference? Like, do you remember? What stands out?
So I cannot isolate one thing. So first of all, very good tracks, very good hands-on workshops. One from yourself as well, so that was amazing. Also 3 days of conference, so you have time to learn, meet new people, but then
Mingle,
also enjoy the sea and the sun and very good food. The best part for it, there's a lot of AI around this, but for me the best part is the human part. So being able to chat with people and peers like this, that was pretty much the best thing of this event.
All right, so 3 days conference, workshops, including yours, right?
And human intelligence.
And human intelligence, AI, and the people. All right, thank you very much.
Cheers, man.